Hello and welcome to Bell CB. This evening we're looking at a Galaxy DX-979. This is for Jeff in Texas, and this is a tune-up report. Up here on this watt meter, Jeff, looking at 10 watts across the top scale. Going to be coming in right here between 4 and 6. See right there, 5. And I'll turn the power down. You see it goes down to 1. So 1 to 5, variable AM power. Peak power, 50 watt slug. We're going to be reading power right there. 40, 50. We'll be coming close to that 30 mark.
Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Let's try sideband. I got a radio set up over there for sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. We're listening to the 2950 on the other side of the workbench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is upper sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check.